Okay, so come to your SignNet app, then go to your client area. After that, log in and you will see your services. So you only have one, I have lots. Okay, so what you do, you just go to one of the your this hosting, just click on it, and then you come to this platform for you to log into Cpanel. So log into Cpanel. Okay. So same thing, come back to here, scroll down, go to the domain, go to domains. All right. Okay. So create a new domains. All right. So let's say you're gonna create a subdomain for a new business. So I'll put it training dot then your this domain name. All right, so this domain name is what you purchased now. Okay, mine is a dkursus.com. So in front I'll do another version of training, so I just put training dot, remember put dot. All right, then submit. Okay, so it will take a moment to create a new domain, the number of domains. Sorry. So wait for a while and then that's all. So you have a new subdomain. So what you do, you can install a new WordPress into this individual isolated new subdomain website. So I'll do a sample. Go back to Cpanel. Just go down and go to your WordPress again. WordPress. So you're going to install WordPress. Press install now. All right, remember, select the new subdomain. So after that, you can install the whole new WordPress into this website, subdomain website, and do the whole things again. All right, thank you.